you some DIY dhoti pattern Bharathanatiyam costumes using Veashti. Come, let's have a look. And also you can make skirt costumes using Veashti, folding into 3/4 level. Please check the link below for pleating hack. So this is the Veashti I am going to use. This Veashti length is 8 cubits. It is easy to wrap when you take a longer Veashti. To grab the center point, fold the Veashti into two and mark it with safety pin so you will not miss it. Make sure the safety pin stays in line with your spine. Now tie a knot here. Before tying the second knot, grab the center from the bottom border. And hold that one and do the second knot. Now you need to wrap the Veashti around the leg. Make sure to secure the border with the same safety pin. Now do the same way to the other side of your Veashti. You can use the same safety pin again to secure the other border as well. Now you need to pleat each side of your Veashti. It's better if you start pleating from the bottom to up. Secure with safety pin and you need to tuck them inside. I'm going to put a safety pin here. Anyway, it cannot be seen because we will be wearing the Ottiyanam. So now you can use the straightener to pleat this iron so it will look more nicer. So the hack when I'm wearing the tarpachi, I always tie a black cord here to give more grip. So this is my first look. Along with the tarpachi, I am wearing a sari blouse with the pattu shawl. This is my second look. To create this look, I am wearing the Bharathanatiyam costume basque, sari blouse and the pattu shawl. I hope you like my video. If you like, please give a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.